Hey girls and boys, it's Jordan, back at it again with another YouTube video. Not only is this video going to be me showing you one of probably my favourite looks to do ever, summer skin makeup, you know, really bronzy, really glowy, really healthy looking, you know, minimal eyes, glossy lips. It's just the perfect look for summer. But I'm introducing to you guys a brand that has just come out with makeup. But that is not the best part. The best part is that it's drugstore and everything that I'm about to share with you is under £10. The brand is called Sunkissed. So yeah, they've just released a bunch of makeup. Of course, they're going for that whole bronzy, glowy vibe. So the makeup that I'm wearing today, this was by them. This is their products on my face. The only thing on my face that's not is the foundation and also my lips, but everything else is them. I'm kind of shook. Like this highlight, you kidding me? Like, what the frick, okay? Me and Sunkissed did team up to bring you guys this video, which is freaking exciting because honestly, I have genuine love for the products that I'm about to show you. And that excites me because I get to share it with you guys and then hopefully you guys will love them just as much as I do. They sent me like a little pink trunk thing full of stuff, which was so cute. Loads of different types of products in there. Bronzers, blushes, highlighters, a mascara, an eye palette, shimmer powders, so much stuff. This look, it's super simple to do. I mean, it's nothing like revolutionary. I'm sure you've seen something like this before, but I also really want this to be a video that shows you some bomb-ass products basically at an affordable price. You know, we all gotta save them coins. Anyway, enough with the intro, let's just get into the video. Right, now that my hair is all out of the way, we can get to the juicy stuff. Real quick, before I speak to you guys about the makeup, I of course have to speak about, you know, how Sunkissed started. Let's begin with the fake tan. If you've been around these parts for a little while now, you'll know how much I freaking love fake tan. Like self-tanning is my jam. Honestly, fake tan, like it runs through my blood, it's in my soul. But no, for real, I tan all the time. There is not a time pretty much that I don't have it on. It's literally just a personal preference of mine. I feel way more confident in it. I feel healthier, I feel glowy, I feel good. This little guy right here, this is what I'm wearing on my skin right now. I mean, I've got freaking light bulbs in front of me right now, like all up in my grill. So I feel like on camera, I look way lighter than I do in real life. It's kind of a little bit strange. But I promise you, I'm like tanned because, guys, Sunkissed do ultra dark, and listen, anything ultra dark, I'm like, hell yeah, like head to toe. It has been on my skin for like 3 days now though, so of course, you know, it is a little bit, you know, not as like bam as it was in the beginning. But of course I captured footage of me applying it so you guys can see how it goes on. It is a mousse tan as well. Mousse tans are my favorite as well, and I love this one because it has a guide color, which not only helps you apply the tan so you know you don't miss any spots, but it also gives you an instant bronzy glow. So you know, you can head out, do your thing. It definitely is more of that kind of red based tan, if you know what I mean. If you use fake tan a lot, you'll know what I mean. And also, it smells, it smells so good. Oh, it smells like, I don't even know. It just smells good. It's just really like tropical and like. Okay, now that I've shared with you, you know, the skin, let's move to this kind of skin, the makeup. Guys, I'm really excited to share these products with you because the quality for the price, girl, it's so good. And you know, I feel like I've discovered some gems here that you need to know about. As per usual, I mean, you probably know how it goes down on this Chanel. I would not be showing my love for these products if it wasn't genuine, because listen, I'm not going to sit here and waste your time. I'm not going to waste my time. If I didn't genuinely love something, it's just not going to be on my YouTube channel. It's as simple as that. As you can probably tell, I do have a little bit of makeup on right now. I have base products on right now, so foundation, concealer, powder. But yeah, I want to show you my favorite things from their collection. Brows. Okay, right, brows. I like a lot of brow products, like pencil, pomades, powders. It kind of all just depends on my mood. But as of the past like few months, I've been loving pencils. I don't know why. I find them the quickest. I like the way they look. It's just my thing. And of course, Sunkissed have a brow pencil. This is their Easy Brow 2-in-1 brow pencil with brush, and I'm using the color medium dark. So yeah. Oh, I was about to say spoolie on one end. That's definitely not the spoolie. Okay, that's the pencil. And it's wind up. Let me hear you say way-oh.
Let me hear you say way-oh.
And then of course a spoolie. So yeah, I'm just going to, you know, comb through these. They're looking a little sad at the moment. They need a little bit of help. Need a bit of TLC, that's for sure. So start underneath the brow, you know, just kind of draw a line from the front all the way to the tail. And then I go ahead and do the exact same thing on top, just to kind of get the shape. And then I just kind of fill it in, you guys. I don't know, I'm not like a pro with brows. I just kind of like do it how I like. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this pencil is pretty damn creamy. Like, you know, it glides, like it's a glider, which, you know, I'm not mad at. It is normally the kind of product though that I would like to set with a powder. I way prefer a creamier pencil like this though to something that's like really hard and waxy and you're like doing this for about an hour and still nothing comes out. It means I can, you know, put product through the front like this and then blend it out super easy to get that gradient, and I'm not, you know, gonna look like I got a Sharpie brow. I really like the color as well. It's like not too purple, not too orange, it's just that really nice neutral. And then to clean up the brow, I'm gonna be using their CC Flawless Base Color Correcting Palette. So yeah, inside you have color correcting shades and then also skin tone shades. I'm gonna take this top one here and use it to kind of just carve out my eyebrow. I don't particularly use palettes, you know, that have that more thicker, creamier consistency on my face. It's just not my vibe. I prefer more of a liquid concealer for my face, but to carve out the brows, to use as an eyeshadow base, like all of that, this kind of thing is perfect. It's just like the perfect consistency to really, you know, get in there and carve out the brow. Okay, so one brow is done. One to go. Why do we have to have two brows? You know, when you do one, you're like, it better come out related in some way, you know, sister, cousin, as long as we don't look like another family, we're good. Wish me luck, ladies and gents, wish me luck. And I tell you what, this little concealer covers up everything, like my life choices. Sunkissed have a crap ton, and when I say a crap ton, I mean like a crap ton of products to bronze up the skin. I'd have to say this one in here is probably my favorite. This is their Bronze Architect Face Palette, and inside you get a contour, bronzer, blush, and highlight. This is basically everything you need in life. Oh, the bronzer in here is honestly everything. It's the perfect amount of warmth for like my tan skin. I love a good orangey bronzer. Some of you might be like, it's not my thing, but for me, obsessed. I feel like the colors in here are kind of dark, but they do have a Carnival Crush cheek palette, which looks like this. Look at this packaging. Hello. So freaking cute. And then in here, there are shades that I think will work way better for lighter skin tones, which is fab. But this little guy I'm using today. The packaging is hella cute as well. Okay, a little color moment here. Bronzer. Blends out like a dream, and I feel instantly bronzed. I'm just putting this everywhere I would normally bronze, so temples, cheeks, down here, kind of like that, like 3 motion. Oh, and also the tip of my nose. See what I mean by that really warm, bronzy look, which is what I love and what I live for. I live, breathe, die for this. Now, of course, there is, you know, blush, highlight, everything in here, but I do want to show you more from the collection that I love. So I'm going to put this little guy down, but I'm going to pick this little guy up. This is their Make Me Blush Ombre Blush. That's cute. Make Me Blush. There we go. How pretty is this? I don't know why, but that is so satisfying to me to look at. Like, I'm going to stick to the lighter colours down here because that's typically, you know, what I'd go for. And then just rosé the cheeks. It kind of like gives your cheek a bit of a glow as well. It's such a pretty colour. It's that perfect pink peach kind of colour that goes with so many looks and just looks so, you know, natural, like a flusher colour. Love it. It is time for the glow. Okay, this product. The Baked to Perfection Blush Highlight Duo. This isn't playing around. You have like a champagne-y, golden-y highlight at the top, and then you have a blush which is like super glowy as well. I don't know if you guys are ready for this. I'm just sticking to the highlight side. Are you freaking kidding me right now? Like, we need to like rate and appreciate, because that is some serious glow. Do you know what I love as well? It does not look like a strip on the skin. I mean this, it genuinely just melts into the skin. I don't know what they put in this, but it's freaking bomb. You guys know I love highlighter, so I'm not gonna lie, this is probably my favorite product in the collection. Like, this is a must-have for me. So for the eyes, I want to do something pretty simple, easy to do, you know, kind of that fresh face look. Perfect for summer, but you know, I still want to have like a little something, you know, going on. So I'm actually gonna go back in with the Bronze Architect palette and take the bronzer just on like fluffy brush. A fluffy brush. I love using the bronzer I used on my face on my eyes. I don't know why. I just feel like it looks so natural. Just blend that in. They do actually have an eyeshadow palette, which I'm about to use in a sec, but it has no matte shades in it. So I kind of like to use a matte bronzer beforehand, you know, just to kind of get the look going, get it started, get it, the juice is flowing. I'm gonna take a teeny bit underneath my eye as well. Just a quick 1, 2, 1, 2. Well, here is the palette that I was talking about a second ago. This is their I must have. See what you did there? I must have. Eyeshadow and highlight palette. So this is what it looks like. This is so cool for a drugstore palette. There is just like, there's some shades in here. Like I said, all of them have a slight shimmer to them, and then you have these 2 glitter shades. The pigment in these shadows as well is so amazing. Like, look at that. That shade right there, that's speaking to me. I'm gonna take the shade here on my finger. I'm gonna use what my mama gave me and just place that on the lid. Look at that. It has like a slight shimmer to it as well, so it gives the eye a bit of dimension. Blend that into the crease. Can we see how easy that blended out? Same thing to this eye. I'm gonna take the color above it, just put that on top. It's more of like a cool tonedy English. It's got less warmth through it, but it still gives that like bronzy vibe. And then the white shade here, I'm just gonna use that too. Whoa, that is so pretty. Look how bright that is. This is just gonna like open up the eyes, and yeah. I really like that. Like, it's so simple, but it looks really put together. This is like a really easy everyday look for sure. This eye palette for me is like, I'd call it like a finishing off palette. There's no matte shades, so I kind of have to start off with the bronzer, but then put this on to like finish off the look. Job's a good one. We're gonna do something a little bit different for me today. You know how much I love my falsies, but I want to keep this super kind of like everyday, summer, bronzy, glowy situation, you know. So we're just going to kick it with some mascara today. That's all we're going to do. I'm going to use the Sunkissed Mega Bold Lash Mascara. This one as well is actually a waterproof formula. So girl, my lashes are going to be on all day. The wand on this, I feel like an actual beauty guru. But for real though, look at that wand. That's like the mother of all mothers. This is my favorite kind of wand. You know, the more kind of plasticky applicators rather than like the fuzzy little ones. This is more plastic, which I prefer. I feel like I get more products on my lashes, and that's what I want, especially when I'm not wearing falsies. Look what this mascara does to my lashes. Ignore the little bits of mascara. Honestly, you could give me the smallest mascara wand in the world and I would still manage to get mascara like on my eye. My lashes are looking long. Okay, so I am back. All that I did off camera was apply a nude glossy lip. They do actually have a cute little lip palette with like a ton of shades. There's like loads of nude options in there and stuff, but I don't actually have it with me, so I couldn't use it, but they do have that option if you're interested. So all that's left is the little finishing touches. So of course we want to have this all set in place so it doesn't move. Sunkissed have their own little setting mist. This is the Perfect Fix Plus. And this is oil control, which you know I need. Give it a little shade. I feel like when a setting spray sounds like this, you know, that like, whew, rather than like, you know it's a good one, like you know you're not about to drown. This has a little bit of a smell, by the way. It kind of smells, it's really faint, like really subtle. I don't even know. Oh. Basically, it's nothing great. The look is complete. I am real happy with the way everything looks on my skin, and I can't believe that all these products are under £10. Like, my mind is actually blown. All products that I use in this video I will of course leave linked in the description box below, so you guys can find it super easy. And yeah, that is everything. So if you did enjoy this look, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button. And if you do maybe want to see a little bit more of me, don't forget to subscribe before you go. And yeah, thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch this video. I love every single one of you so much, and I will see you all in the next video. Mwah. Bye. Where is my phone? Oh, really? I keep getting tan on my nose. Been loving, oh, okay, a little colour moment. Which, wow, are you actually capable of anything, girl? Like, I need to sneeze. was disappointing.